In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay on Intuit Quickbooks. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or someone new to managing finances, QuickBooks offers a seamless way of handling your business accounting needs. Today, we'll be focusing on how you can make your payment quickly and efficiently through QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you have a clear understanding of each component. Let's dive right in. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open up QuickBooks Online. You'll want to make sure you're accessing the official QuickBooks website using a secure internet connection to protect your personal information. Once there, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You should see a sign in button. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. When you're taken to the sign-in page, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. These credentials should be ones you've already set up. If you're not yet registered, you'll need to go through the registration process first, but for our purposes today, we'll assume you've already done this. Double check your email and password to ensure they're entered correctly. It's a small step, but it saves a lot of hassle. Once you've filled in your login information, you'll want to click on the sign-in button. By doing this, you'll be taken to your QuickBooks Online dashboard where you can access all the important tools and features that QuickBooks provides. It's designed to be very user-friendly, with navigation options neatly organized for your convenience. From your dashboard, keep an eye out for the Subscribe Now ribbon. This is usually found at the top of the screen in QuickBooks and might be highlighted or emboldened so it catches your attention. By clicking on this ribbon, you're beginning the process of subscribing to QuickBooks services, which includes managing your payments. Next, you will be redirected to a page where you'll have the opportunity to add your payment information. QuickBooks takes care of your security by ensuring that this page is secure, allowing you to safely enter your payment details. This usually includes your credit card information or any other payment method you have chosen. Take your time here to carefully input your information. Remember, accuracy is key to avoiding any billing issues down the line. After successfully entering your payment information, locate the subscribe button on the page. Clicking this button signifies your confirmation to subscribe to the services QuickBooks offers. This is an important step that officially enrolls you in their service plan and sets up your payment process. After clicking subscribe, it's always a good idea to check your email for any confirmation messages or invoices from Intuit Quickbooks. This provides you with documentation that your payment has been processed and everything is set in motion. Throughout this process, remember that QuickBooks has a myriad of resources available should you need additional help. Their customer support is there to assist with any hiccups or questions you might encounter, and their online help center is filled with articles and tutorials designed to help you navigate various QuickBooks features with ease. And there you have it. You've learned how to pay on Intuit QuickBooks quickly and efficiently. Following these clear, straightforward steps will ensure that you can handle your business accounts without a hitch. QuickBooks is an intuitive tool designed to meet businesses' needs, making financial management that much easier. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with others who might benefit from understanding the payment process in QuickBooks. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope this guide has made the process clearer and that you feel more confident in making payments with QuickBooks. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and guides, and as always, happy bookkeeping.